is the only franchise which... Could you explain that? Because it's just a launch. It's a league that's just launching. So in terms of content, putting money into it, or is it a sweat equity thing?
Yeah. You know, football is number one in the world. And as you know, India, we call cricket as our religion. Dharm. Cricket is dharm, cricket is religion. Then Nita Ambani inspired football also. She said, India is a secular country. You can't have one dharm over here, one religion over here. Football also should come, all others should come. So she sponsored, she as the main director, or giving the direction in the football, and we all joined, and now you will see that football will become again like cricket in India. Thank you.
What was your question again? Sorry. To me.
Are you putting money behind it? Often you have these kind of arrangements where it's a sweat equity. So is there actually your investment going in from a personal level?
I think that's a very confidential issue. I wouldn't like to comment on it on public. You can smile as much as you want, but you won't get an answer.
All right. I think we'll call it an end to the media session. Thank you so much, Mr. Dood, Mr. Salgaonkar, Mr. Dempu, Virat and Varun. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen,
for being so kind with your answers. Want a picture? Wow, that was a fantabulous afternoon, a glitzy and sporty afternoon with some of the biggest names of almost every industry all gathered here under the same roof. What a proud moment for FC Goa.
Need mics, no? Yeah. Chalo, start.
Yeah, in the IPL we've seen glamour being associated with sport, and it has somehow managed to grab a lot of eyeballs. Football, but that is because cricket has already...
Do you think I'm the glamour word?
Huh?
Do you think I'm glamour?
You're part of the glamour industry, so
Industry, yeah. No, I'm part of the entertainment industry. I think more than... I think if they wanted glamour, they would get some hot chick or something to do it. But I think if you put me like, I'm the entertaining factor for FC Goa, then I'd definitely take that title. Because I think Goa as a place is a very entertaining place where people like to visit for the entertainment, be it the beaches, be it the people, the food and football now. So I think as a club, I think we are trying to promote a very young, youthful, entertaining club that plays very good and honest football. So I think I'm proud to be a part of it.
वरुण आपने स्टेज पे काफी अच्छा स्टंट किया था. आपकी फिल्म आ रही है ABCD, क्या हमें उसमें भी ऐसी स्टंट देखने मिलेगी?
करना नहीं चाहता क्योंकि मुझे पीठ पे चोट लगी थी, बट अभी तो हाँ ऐसा कुछ देखने मिलेगा. एंड आई थिंक जो जितनी भी ABCD की टीम है, दे आल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट फुटबॉल एंड वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं इस टीम के साथ जुड़ा हूँ. तो अभी फिल्मों के बारे में बात मत करना, खाली FC गोवा के बारे में बात करना.
बॉलीवुड का कनेक्शन हमेशा स्पोर्ट्स से हमेशा देखा गया है. ये कनेक्शन कैसे हुआ, कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, बताना चाहिए.
Because obviously at the end of the day we are people. हम लोग के भी मतलब sports persons होते हैं. We like I'm a big fan of Virat, like the whole country is. So I think same way I love football and ये opportunity मिली मेरे को जुड़ने को FC गोवा के साथ, तो मैं जुड़ गया. So it's just as a person on a human level. That's all.
और अगर आपको टीम चूज करने का मौका दिया जाए तो प्लेयर में आप क्या क्वालिटी देखते हैं?
Obviously कि वो fast हो, aggressive हो, and at the same time intelligent हो. Because I think football is a 360 game. जितना भी मैंने सीखा है, जैसे it's a 360 game because the ball is round. तो आप किधर भी मार सकते हो. And where you hit it, वो उस direction में जाएगा. So I think at the end of the day, it's very important that these players, being fit and fast, they have to be very intelligent as well. So I mean, and I'm guessing that Goa has these type of players.
विराट के लिए क्वेश्चन.
पहले आप मेरे को पूछ लो, अभी ये आंसर देना. विराट कर रहे हैं. विराट फिल्म से एक करोड़ वाला था.
कौन सी? Virat, it was a fanboy moment for you as well, even Nico and
Well, I'm a huge Ronaldo fan. I've always maintained that. So wherever he goes, that becomes my club. There's no, I'm not loyal to any club, so this is the first club I'm going to be loyal to. Otherwise, I support Cristiano Ronaldo. I really like the way he plays, the passion he plays. So I support whatever club he goes to.
And also fan mark moment for you, we saw taking a picture.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you don't get opportunities like these, all the time. But I'm going to get a lot of it now, which I'm very happy about. We did a thing with Drogba, Didier Drogba in 2012 in Delhi. That was a proper starstruck moment for me. The reaction that people gave then, that was something astonishing to see, and I'm glad this ISL is happening.
विराट आपका बॉलीवुड से कनेक्शन काफी अच्छा है, तो क्या बॉलीवुड से और भी कोई सितारे आपके साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं?
मेरा कनेक्शन कैसे अच्छा है?
बहुत सारे कनेक्शन है, वरुण भी अभी आपके संग है, उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे कनेक्शन हो गए, आपके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हो गए, तो कोई और आपको सपोर्ट कर रहा है या कौन कर रहा है?
नहीं, मेरे इतने दोस्त नहीं है बॉलीवुड में, और कुछ लोग हैं जिनको मैं जानता हूँ, उनमें से वरुण एक है, और वो मेरे ख्याल FC गोवा फ्रेंचाइज का डिसीजन है, वो दे वांट टू टेक ऑन बोर्ड, बट obviously your friends are going to support you, and that's a pretty common thing.
One second. Sorry. Gentlemen.
Well, see, obviously you can't expect players from the EPL or the La Liga to be here, but people who have had some sort of experience in those leagues, who have sort of retired and they are keen to play again with their experience. Young players from all across the world, which are quite exciting to watch and have a major skill level. So all these things are something we looked into during the auctions. I was pretty much in touch with FC Goa, figuring out players and who's good at what position, and who to pick, who not to pick. So I think we have a pretty strong side. Our average age of the side is 28, so that's pretty exciting. The players have been playing in I-League together, the Indian players a lot. So the coordination is there, the commitment is there. They know their games pretty well. So it's all going to come together. And as I said, it's all about picking right players for the right positions.
Excuse me, one second. Hold on, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Virat, two questions. Firstly, do you see any similarity between ISL and IPL? Two pro leagues started for two sports, which had I-Leagues and domestic leagues running. So do you see any similarity? And how much did you know about Indian football before you decided to get into IPL?
Well, honestly, I think ISL is a great step for football in India. As I said, what happens in the IPL is a lot of people take that as a negative, but if you ask a youngster, what he feels when he plays with a player like Jack Kallis or a Sachin Tendulkar in the same team, and share experiences every day, and get to be at the same comfort level with them, I think the confidence level goes to a complete different high. So I think that's the most important thing for a sports person, to feel mentally confident. This ISL will give opportunities to Indian youngsters and youngsters all around the world as well. To play with players like Perez, to be coached by coaches like Zico. So I mean, it's gold dust for them. I mean, the more they spend time with them, it's going to improve their games and their mentality as well. And I think that's a great step towards promoting football in this country.
And secondly, how much?
No, sorry. Sorry. Next question. You, sir.
नहीं, इस बारे में डिस्कशन नहीं हुए क्योंकि I was working on something, so we stuck to cricket. But when I meet him at the games or in events like these, obviously we'll have a talk.
Both of you are youth icons from wearing sleeves. Elections just round the corner. Can you just encourage them to go out and vote this time, register to vote, and just cast their vote in the looking at it?
I've said this even before, so I'm going to say it again, that please go out there and vote and choose the people that you want to represent, who you want as your representatives. And I think it's an understood thing, it's all out there, media is everywhere, so everyone, please go and vote.
Virat, can I ask a question?
One sec. Last two questions. Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen an I-League match?
Wait, let me finish his request. I won't say anything different from what Varun said. All I want to say is hesitation leads to disappointment, so don't hesitate. Go out there, be sure of who you want to vote for and stick to it, you'll get the right result.
Last question. Have you ever seen an sorry. He didn't ask.
No, that was a part of his question.
Okay.
Have you ever seen an I-League match before, or the Indian national team play? If you have, then what do you think? Since now you're part of the football industry.
Watching it on TV is very different from being in the stadium. And I've been to an Indian team game in Delhi, and I've seen the I-League on TV. So those are completely different experiences. If you see a football game live, the adrenaline, the kind of intensity the sport has, you don't really get a fair idea of what the difference is between. Standard of the game, see, as I said, this ISL is happening for the standard of the game to go up. So this is a major step towards it. And the more the experienced player come to India and help the youngsters and help them grow their game and improve their skill level, obviously the standard will go up in future, and you'll have the stadiums having more facilities as well, when the sport is growing big time. So all in all, it's a great thing for Indian football.
Only one thing I want to add, that the ISL should not be looked on in any negative way towards Indian footballing. I think a lot of the Indian footballers work very hard to reach the level that they are. And this is only done out of sheer love and passion for football. And if in any way, any of these teams can give us any new footballing superstars and talent to the country, it will be amazing for India.